Alrighty folks, we're going to run some strings for the beans this evening. Hello to you too, Mr. Rooster. We've been using cattle panels. They have skyrocketed in price. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do it like years ago. We're going to drive 2 poles. On top I'm going to stretch some electric fence wire, and then I've got some cotton twine, yarn, string, and we'll run that down and loop them over a leaf and then go back and forth over, and that's the way we'll do these and the rest of the beans we're going to plant. Alrighty, I'm driving them at an angle, that way when you get the wire put on top and the weight of the beans, it'll pull it just about level then, straight up and down. My son there, he does the editing. He likes to add a little bit of humor into it there at times. Now this way here is the way a friend of mine that used to work with me out there, he's retired now, his daddy did it, and a guy that I work with out there I'm good friends with, Jason, this is the way he does his beans. Alrighty. We'll be using this here. It's a real thin cotton string. We'll be using that there to string the beans up. Alrighty. You just tie it up to the end down there, then you drop it down, hook a leaf, throw it over the top, come back down, you hook another leaf, and just work your way up through there doing that there. It goes pretty quick, and your runner will just go right up the string there. Alrighty folks, this is what it looks like now. We went down through here and strung them, and now hopefully they'll take off. I don't know what's all of a sudden, ours and Mom and Pop's beans, they're not looking the best. We've been watering them but I don't know, they just don't look like they're doing right. But we'll see, maybe they'll come out of it. Here you can see the runners starting to go up the strings. The beans are looking a lot better now. You all have a great evening. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching.